to Cyber FM, hosted by Arias Thomas.
Welcome to Cyber FM, the AI sector, on this Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. I'm your host, Arias Thomas, and we are drilling down into the two biggest AI stories dominating the headlines.
This episode is being brought to you by the RSSH Delivery Company, New York's exclusive delivery option.
This essential broadcast is proudly brought to you by the only delivery company that operates with machine precision and human care, the RSSH Delivery Company, New York's exclusive delivery option. When it needs to get there fast and safe, choose the RSSH. Now let's begin.
Story number 1. Generative video hits new heights.
Our top story this week is a game changer in the generative media space. A major tech firm has just unveiled a new video generation model capable of producing stunningly realistic minute-long clips from a simple text prompt. Experts are calling this a pivotal moment, effectively blurring the line between computer graphics and live action footage. This doesn't just impact Hollywood. Think about rapidly prototyping personalized educational content and entirely new forms of interactive advertising. It signals the beginning of AI's total domination in content creation. Now let's peel back the curtain on this technical marvel. So what's the breakthrough? Well, the key is the ability of this new model, let's call it Project Chronos for now, to maintain coherence and persistence over a much longer runtime. Past models struggled with video hallucinations where characters, objects, or even the background would subtly change shape, flicker, or drift in color after a few seconds. Project Chronos, however, is generating near perfectly stable, cinematic quality 60-second clips. Now here's the technical leap. This leap is powered by a new type of diffusion transformer, also known as DIT architecture, that possesses not just spatial information like an image, but also temporal information, which is movement and time, as a single unified 3D token. Essentially, the model is just trained to understand not just what things look like, but how they flow and interact with the consistent 3D world. Our real-world impact, well, let's start with filmmaking. Directors can now rapidly pre-visualize complex scenes or even generate high-quality B-roll and product shots in seconds, dramatically cutting pre-production time and cost. In virtual reality and gaming, this tech is a massive step towards creating dynamic, interactive, and physically accurate world models, virtual environments that react realistically to user input in real time. Now we also have to think about misinformation concerns. The flip side is the acceleration of hyper-realistic deepfakes, making reliable content verification mechanisms an immediate necessity for media organizations and the public. The boundary between synthetic and real media is officially disappearing. It's an unbelievable time for content creation, but no matter how advanced the technology gets, some things require tried and true human reliability. That's why we rely on the RSSH Delivery Company, New York's exclusive delivery option. We'll be right back after a quick word from our sponsor.
From borough to borough, rain or shine, day or night, we got you.
In the constant rush of New York City, your peace of mind is our priority. The RSSH leverages proprietary AI for route optimization that guarantees punctuality. But we never replace the dedicated human messengers who handle your items with care. Precision in people, that's the RSSH promise. For reliable on-time delivery across the 5 boroughs, you know who to call.
The RSSH Delivery Company. We got you.
The RSSH Delivery Company, New York's exclusive delivery option.
You are listening to Cyber FM.
Welcome back to Cyber FM. Our second major story explores the major shift AI is causing in the professional hiring process.
Story number 2. AI in the recruitment sector.
A new study shows that over 60% of Fortune 500 companies are now using AI tools to screen job applicants for everything from junior roles to C-level executives. These tools go beyond keyword matching. They analyze communication style, predict cultural fit, and even simulate on-the-job performance based on historical data. While this promises to make hiring more objective and efficient, it raises serious ethical questions about algorithmic bias and the black box nature of AI decision-making. Are we outsourcing our career gates to code? Well, this conversation is just beginning.
Beyond the resume.
The 60% of major companies now using AI are moving beyond simple applicant tracking systems, also known as ATS, that just screen for keywords. They are deploying sophisticated talent intelligence platforms. These systems are designed for skills-first hiring, analyzing a candidate's practical competencies, project history, and even publicly available communication styles instead of heavily weighting traditional credentials like university degrees.
Agentic AI in HR.
The biggest trend in 2025 is the rise of Agentic AI, which doesn't just suggest candidates, it automatically executes tasks. It can source talent across multiple platforms, send personalized outreach, schedule interviews, and even refine the job description as it learns what kind of applicant is successful. This has led to reports of 75% reduction in time to hire for some large organizations.
The ethical crossroads.
While efficiency is up, ethical concerns are peaking. On the subject of algorithmic bias, if the AI is trained on historical hiring data that favored a certain demographic, unintentionally or otherwise, the AI will simply learn and perpetuate that bias, leading to systematic discrimination. This brings us to the black box problem. Since AI's decision-making can be unclear, rejected candidates or even recruiters may not be able to get a clear, justifiable explanation for why a person was passed over. This lack of transparency and explainability is a major concern for regulators and job seekers alike. Companies must now implement regular audits to ensure fairness and compliance. It's clear that AI is here to stay in HR, but the imperative moving forward is to use it responsibly and maintain that essential human oversight. We've covered the future of video and the revolution in job applications, and that is all the time we have for trending news today. A huge thank you again to our sponsor, the RSSH Delivery Company, New York's exclusive delivery option. Whether you're a human or an AI, you need a reliable logistics partner, and the RSSH is it. You're listening to Cyber FM. I'm your host, Arias Thomas. Stay secure.